Shekhar, Shruti, just wanted to ask you, how come you came across about Sharad or about Trade My Home, and what was your reason to buy a new home?
Hello, this is Shekhar Halakari. This is Shruti Neshti. What we were looking for is to upgrade our house, to get into a better area in the locally inside Bay Area, upgrade our house, get into a better school district. Kids are getting into high school and middle school, and we came across this program where you could buy before you sell, and essentially use the equity on your house and transfer it and use it to buy a new house without taking any additional loan or any of those, right? So the program was very interesting, and it made the whole process pretty seamless. So far, the process has been fantastic. We just got the keys to our new house. Excited, and as always, any buyer would say in the Bay Area, they're nervous as well. So now our second house journey begins, and looking forward to our what we do with this property and how we build memories here.
Absolutely. Do you have anything to say, Shruti?
Yeah, not really. I think Shekhar heard about this program on radio while driving. So he immediately called Sharad, and that's how we got to know about the program. Very happy with everything end-to-end process. Very transparent. The whole team is very supportive and always available to answer questions. So it has been a smooth experience, and would highly recommend.
Thank you. Really appreciate it.
And when she said the team, I would like to emphasize the names.
Yeah,
and obviously, when I reached out to Sharad, I think it was the same week, he showed up on a Sunday to our house, spent almost an hour or so walking through the whole process, how it works, what we do. That was very nice, and obviously working with Kiyoshi, she's always been there, answered our questions. In fact, I remember one thing during our entire experience. There was a phase where it was very quiet. It was so quiet and everything was going on so smoothly. I was pretty nervous and saying, is everything okay? And obviously she was there at the background supporting us through the process, and it was a good experience. Having said that, it's 50% of the experience.
Absolutely.
We will have our selling of the other house, and probably you'll hear from me again on that.